हेलो एंड वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज के क्विज में दैट इज करंट अफेयर्स क्विज संडे 2 जुलाई 2023। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, दिस क्विज विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल इन योर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन एसएससी सीजीएल यूपीएससी। बट एसएससी सीजीएल का तो एग्जाम अभी ही है। इट इज फ्रॉम द 14 जुलाई एंड देन सीएचएसएल विल बी नेक्स्ट मंथ। सो एग्जाम्स तो कंटिन्यूटी पे है। सो दिस परीक्षा सारथी टीम and उनके साथ में मिलके we have started this quiz which will be very helpful. Only need to know information will be there and in the quiz format, that is multiple choice question format. So friends, इसको हम लोग आगे चलते हैं. Only 10 minutes of yours will be used for this quiz and I believe that this will be benefiting you in your upcoming exams. So friends, this, as I told you, this is an initiative of Team Pariksha Sarthi. You can see the magazine here and a brief introduction about me. I am Rajiv Ranjan Jha, ex-deputy commandant from CRPF. So friends, इस quiz को हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? There will be 10 questions and in 10 questions, first I will read the question from 1 to 10. Then I will discuss, मैं सारे answers को discuss करूंगा. I will give my inputs in those questions, which will be useful for you to memorize this question. So first, I will read those 10 questions one by one. And आप अपना pencil और copy निकाल लीजिए. Your pen and paper should be, you should be ready with your pen and paper. You start marking your answers when I am reading the question. Then after that, I will go to the each and every question and we will discuss it so that you can memorize them and see how many questions you have corrected. You can comment your answers that I have done so many questions correctly. So that will give me an input about your preparation and I will help you with your preparation further. So friends, we move to the question number 1 for the day. Today I am reading this question first. Which new generation ballistic missile was successfully test fired by Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, recently at the coast of Odisha? So the options are Agni Prime, BrahMos, Shaurya, and Prithvi. We move to the next question. We will discuss the answer after we finish all those 10 questions. What is the name of India's first Omicron specific mRNA booster vaccine? So the options are Covishield, Covaxin, Zydus Cadila, Gemcovac, Om. Okay, friends, options and questions are in front of you. Mark your answers and be ready with the answers. At the end of the quiz, we will discuss all those questions. हम लोग सारे questions को discuss करेंगे. In which country was the multinational peacekeeping exercise X-Khan Quest 2022 conducted? So the options are India, Mongolia, Russia, and Japan. Mark your answers. Question number 4 is who has been elected as the chairman of International Air Transport Association, that is IATA, Board of Governors? And your options are Ronjay Datta, Rakesh Agarwal, Rahul Bhatia, Peter Elbers. We move to the question number 5. Which financial institution launched a financial inclusion dashboard named Antardrishti? And your options are State Bank of India, International Monetary Fund, Reserve Bank of India, Asian Development Bank. Friends, we move to question number 6. Who inaugurated Gabon's first Agri-SEZ project? Gajpati to Gabon is the name of the project and Gabon is the country in Central Africa. And your options are Dharmendra Pradhan, Narendra Modi, Ramnath Kovind and Yogi Adityanath. So these are the options for the question number 6. Mark your answers. We move to the question number 7. Which Indian political figure has been conferred with the Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar Award? Okay, and options are Yogi Adityanath, Narendra Modi, Arvind Kejriwal and Mamta Banerjee. Question number 7 हो गया है. Now we move to question number 8. Who is the author of the book Draupadi Murmu from Tribal Hinterland to Raisana Hill? And your options are Kasturi Ray, Arundhati Roy, Chetan Bhagat, Jhumpa Lahiri. Now we move to the question number 9. Who became the first Indian fencer to win a medal in the Asian Fencing Championship? And options for these questions are Bhavani Devi, Deepika Kumari, Saina Nehwal, and PV Sindhu. We move to the last question of the this quiz. In which state will be the 37th edition of National Games will be held, and what is the mascot for this game? And the options are Goa, the mascot is Moga; Kerala, the mascot is Veli; Maharashtra, the mascot is Kida; Tamil Nadu, and the mascot is Varna. So friends, as I told you, now you finish this 10 questions. Now we will move to all the questions systematically and we will see the correct answers. So friends, this was the first question. I read it again. Which new generation ballistic missile was successfully test fired by Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO recently at the coast of Odisha? So DRDO, you know, and they have tested this. Answer option A is correct. Agni Prime is the, you remember that Agni was the series of missiles previously. And this Agni Prime is the recently tested this ballistic missile by DRDO. So check your answers with this. What is the name of India's first Omicron specific mRNA booster vaccine? So, you know, these are all vaccines related to COVID-19, and this vaccination which we are talking about is very specific and which was in news recently. So, India's first Omicron specific mRNA booster vaccine, mRNA booster. These are all vaccines, but this option, Gemcovac Om, is this mRNA specific Omicron max vaccine. Okay, friends, check your answers. Now we move to the question number 3. In which country the multinational peacekeeping exercise X-Khan Quest 2022 conducted? So friends, the right answer is Mongolia. And how to remember this? You know that Genghis Khan, who invaded India, was from Mongolia only. His origin was from there. And so you can remember and correlate Mongolia with this question. Now we move to the question number 4. Who has been elected as the chairman of International Airport Transportation? And these all questions are based from 15 to 30 June by Pariksha Sarthi magazine. Okay, 15 to 30 June. You can purchase magazine also for further more questions. I have selected 10 questions out of this. So the answer correct for this, who has been elected as chairman of International Air Transport Association, is Peter Elbers. And you should know that Peter Elbers is Interglobe Aviation. Interglobe Aviation, we don't know much. So, okay, but Interglobe Aviation, you must be aware of this airlines, Indigo. Indigo Airlines. It is an Indian low-cost airline started in 2006 by the parent or company's name is Interglobe Aviation, but we better way we know this, हम लोग इसको जानते हैं as Indigo Airlines, और उनके ये CEO हैं. He is the CEO, और अब इनको इंटरनेशनल एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट एसोसिएशन बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स पीटर एल्बर्स को चेयरमैन, he has been selected. Question number 5. Which financial institution launched a financial inclusion dashboard named Antardrishti? So there we can get confused with State Bank of India, but the right answer is Reserve Bank of India. And what is financial inclusion? Financial inclusion आपको पता है कि गांव तक में विलेज के इंटीरियर्स, inside those village all should have a bank account. They should be linked to bank. So that is financial inclusion, and उसका जो डैशबोर्ड है अंतर्दृष्टि, that has been started by Reserve Bank of India. Question number 6 is interesting. Who inaugurated Gabon? Gabon is a country in Central Africa. Okay, first agri project. Gajpati is a district and plays in Odisha. ठीक है? And Gabon is a country in Central Africa. So this is done by, inaugurated by our Education Minister Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji. ठीक है? Education and Skill Development Minister है Dharmendra Pradhan ji. He has inaugurated this Gajpati to Gabon. ठीक है friends? We move to question number 7. विच इंडियन पॉलिटिकल फिगर हैज बीन कन्फर्ड विद भारत रत्न डॉक्टर अंबेडकर अवार्ड। तो ये जो है अवार्ड योगी आदित्यनाथ जी जो कि चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं उत्तर प्रदेश को, सो टू हैव ए मतलब पीस इन दिस उत्तर प्रदेश, और के लिए इनको ये जो भारत रत्न डॉक्टर अंबेडकर अवार्ड, इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम भारत रत्न अवार्ड, बट भारत रत्न डॉक्टर अंबेडकर अवार्ड अगर आपको पूछा जाता है क्वेश्चन पेपर में, सो यू हैव टू करेक्ट दिस ऑप्शन, योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को मिला है। ठीक है, सो फ्रेंड्स इनको जो मिला है इट इज फॉर पीस एंड फियर फ्री उत्तर प्रदेश, फियर फ्री उत्तर प्रदेश बनाने के लिए। ठीक है, एज ही इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश। नाउ वी मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। दिस इज अ वेरी डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, इसके बारे में ज्यादा डिस्कस नहीं करूंगा, बट यू कैन बी कंफ्यूज विद द ऑप्शंस। तो आप याद रख लें, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ बुक द्रौपदी मुर्मू फ्रॉम ट्राइबर हिंडरलैंड टू रैसाना हिल। मैं इसमें आपको ऑप्शन ही डायरेक्ट बता देता हूं। सो इट इज कस्तूरी रे, इन्होंने इसको ऑथर किया है बुक को। ठीक है, यू रिमेंबर दिस book because this was in news very recently. We move to the question number 9. Who became the first Indian fencer to win a medal in the Asian Fencing Championship? पहले तो ये एशियन फेंसिंग क्या होता है, या फेंसिंग कंपटीशन जो होता है, इट इज समथिंग लाइक सोर्ड फाइटिंग। ठीक है, और उसमें जो है वो है भवानी देवी बिकेम द फर्स्ट इंडियन फेंसर टू विन ए मेडल, इनको मेडल मिला है। एंड कंफ्यूजन कहां होता है, दीपिका कुमारी जी जो कि आर्चरी में है, तीर धनुष में है आर्चरी। ठीक है, और इनका क्या है फेंसिंग, फेंसिंग जो होता है वो होता है सोड, SW। ठीक है, एब्रीवेशन ही लिख रहा हूं मैं। एंड जो बाकी के दो प्लेयर्स हैं साइना नेहवाल एंड PV सिंधु, दे आर फ्रॉम बैडमिंटन। यू नो दैट दीज टू आर ऑल्सो लीडिंग बैडमिंटन प्लेयर्स फ्रॉम इंडिया। Question number 10. This is also again from, this was also from the sports. In which state will the 37th edition of National Games to be held, and what is the mascot of this game? So 37th edition of the National Games, 37th edition of the National Games will be held in Goa. मोगा में होगा। ठीक है, मोगा इज द मास्कॉट एंड मोगा इज ए बाइसन। बाइसन जो होता है एनिमल होता है, दैट इज द मास्कॉट। एंड अभी इसके डेट्स डिसाइड नहीं हुए हैं, बट वेन्यू इज डिसाइडेड, इट विल बी इन गोवा। सो फ्रेंड्स, there are lot many this type of need to know information, only pinpoint and research information, otherwise internet तो full of information है, but उतना information आप याद नहीं रख सकते हो। अब SSC CGL का परीक्षा जो है एकदम सामने है, so for you can purchase magazine from January to July, January to June, लास्ट 6 months मैगजीन विल बी वेरी मच वाइटल। ये जैसे क्या था, अभी जो मैंने क्विज किया था दैट वाज फ्रॉम 15 to 30 जून। सो जो परीक्षा सारथी मैगजीन है इट कम्स बाई मंथली, बाई मतलब टू टाइम्स इन ए मंथ। ठीक है, तो 1 to 15 विल बी वन मैगजीन and 15 to 30 will be the second magazine. So you can purchase January to June महीने का magazine. For purchasing monthly magazine, WhatsApp at this number 99502396। मैं रिपीट करता हूं, आप स्क्रीन से खुद भी लिख लें, 9950239676। And to get this type of current affairs quiz and current affair updates on daily basis, क्विज आपको संडे को इस तरह से मिलेगा, डेली क्विज भी मैं पूछता हूं एंड करंट अफेयर इंफॉर्मेशन भी देता हूं फ्रॉम माय चैनल SSC झा क्लासेस। तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लें। और ये मैगजीन अगर आपको लगता है कि इट इज वर्थ फॉर मी, एंड आई एम वेरी मच श्योर दिस इज वर्थ, बिकॉज जनवरी टू जून वाला मैगजीन विल हेल्प यू इन योर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन। ऐसे ही 6 months का एटलीस्ट करंट इवेंट्स, करंट अफेयर्स प्रिपेयर रहना चाहिए। सो फ्रेंड्स, आई कंक्लूड माई सेशन, quiz session here. We'll meet tomorrow with our current affairs event and with small quiz, that is 1 or 2 question ka quiz. This will be the mega quiz which will be organized on every Sunday. So thank you and good luck friends in your preparation and your